Yeah, and actually in all three of these, you do not have a y-intercept, so you are going to have to do all three steps in these. Gosh, I did it wrong. If you finish, go ahead and do another one.
Graphic line C 3.7.
Oh, you can do that too on your calculator.
Ms. Smith,
Yes.
when we get to the point slope, how do like I don't like how exactly do we do it without a graph?
The slope?
Yeah, I know.
Well, what's the formula? What's the formula for slope? If you have 2 points,
Y minus
Yeah.
1.
that's what you do.
For m, how do I find m?
You're just telling me that m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2
Oh,
minus
okay.
x sub 1. I'm using
Okay,
the
so I
slope
did do
formula.
that right.
Yeah. I have no room for this one.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I have all of them worked out up here.
Okay, I couldn't graph my calculator won't let me.
Oh, is that a battery now?
It says low battery.
Okay.
Your memory, you'll lose your memory if you continue.
Well, you don't have anything probably in memory that's worth keeping. All right. Hallie, did you get this?
Yeah.
Okay. Amy, did you get that? Emily, did you get that?
Mm-hmm.
Isaac, did you get this? All right. Questions. All right. So what is the whole process again? If you're given 2 points, you got to number 1, calculate the slope. Number 2, use point slope. And then number 3,
Rewrite it
and slope intercept. Yes. Does it matter which point I use? Nope, and just to prove it to you, I use, which point did I use? I used this point, I'm going to use this point now, okay? So I'm going to say y minus a minus 4 equals, my slope was negative 1 times x minus 4, okay? So this becomes y plus 4 equals negative x plus 4, subtract 4, subtract 4, guess what I get? Y equals negative x. There it is. So it doesn't matter, you know. The only time it would matter is if you've made a mistake and you've done the arithmetic weird on one of them. Then you might not end up with the same thing. But remember, what are the points representing? All the points on a line. How many points are on a line?
Infinite.
Infinite. So every time you find a point on the line, it's got to work in that equation, okay? So you have infinite number of xy pairs, but on that line. So you can pick any one of those xy pairs, and and put it in point slope, and you'll produce the same line. And if you want to test out the points, you can put them right here and see that they work out in the equation. That's what all those points are representing. All right, so let's continue on. Example 3. I'm going to erase this. Okay. All right, example 3 says, decide which form to use. Okay, so I want you to cover up the solution with your hand on here, okay? And I want you to look at A on example 3 and tell me which way would you like to go on this. You got 2 points there, but what are one of those 2 points? The y-intercept. So, you know, how many steps do you really need to follow here? 2. What do you need to do to write the equation?
Slope and then write it in slope.
And you can go directly to slope-intercept because you know what the y-intercept is, right? So, Amy, how do I set it up there? So my points are 0, 2, and where am I? 0, 2, and 4, negative 2. Okay, so how do I set it up to calculate the slope?
Would it be y equals negative 2 over 2 plus 2?
Well, I'm just doing, okay, so you're doing negative 2 minus 2. Okay, negative 2 minus 2 over 4 minus 0. So what is that? Negative 4 over 4, which equals negative 1. Okay, so Hallie, what do I do next then? If I know this is, which is the y-intercept up here? This one. So can I write the equation for the y? So what would it be?
So would it be y equals negative x
Mm-hmm.
plus 2?
Plus 2. You got it. Okay, because you can jump right to it. Okay, what about B, Isaac? Without looking at the solution, what do I have to do there? Can I see what my y-intercept is there? No. So I'm going to have to do all 3 steps there, right? I'm going to have to, what are my 3 steps going to be? Number 1, calculate slope.
Calculate the slope.
Number 2, use point slope. Number 3, then rewrite it. Okay. All right. Okay, so Isaac, how do I set it up for slope for on B?
2 plus 1. No. 4 minus 3.
Okay, 4 minus, wait, okay, hold on. What's going to be on top? It's going to be the rise over run, so, right? So what's it going to be? I need the y's on top, not the x's.
4 minus 4 and 3.
Those are x's, okay? I'm
2
calculating the slope.
2 plus 1.
Yeah, 2 minus a minus 1, which is plus 1 over
4 minus 3.
4 minus 3, yeah. Okay. And then, Hallie, what am I going to get when I do that?
You're going to get 2 plus
3 over,
4
okay. All right, Amy, how do I set it up for point slope?
y minus
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean Amy. Emily, how do I set it up for point slope?
Point slope, you do y minus 2
Y minus 2.
equals 3
Oh, yeah, 3 over.
parentheses x minus 4.
All right. And then Amy, what's my next step?
You distribute.
Okay.
So y minus 2 equals 3x minus 12.
Okay. All right. And then Isaac, what do I do next?
You'll add 2 to the right, to both sides.
And I get y equals 3x minus 10. Is that right? Yep, that's it. Okay, good. All right, now we're almost done. Let's take a look at the checkpoint. Okay, 5 and 6. I want you to do both of those. On 5, what are you going to do to figure out the equation for the line on 5? What do you think, Amy? What are you going to do?
That makes me so happy.
So number 5, you're going to be able to go straight to, right, slope-intercept because you know the y-intercept. So you just have to calculate the slope and then use the y-intercept. Okay, in 6, however, you're going to have to do what? Hallie, what do you think? What do you have to do in 6? You have to do all 3 steps, right? Calculate slope, put it in point slope, then get it slope intercept. Okay, I want you guys to do both of these. Okay, everybody do both. Did you get it? Did you get these? All right, I'm going to go ahead and put up, you guys got it like, 7 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and put up the homework problems. Okay, Hallie, while you're finishing, Hallie. And then